Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Gavita, back again with another video, and in today's video I have another shoe unboxing for you guys. I have the Mochas in hand. They are not mine, they are Fabi's, so shout out Fabi for letting me unbox these shoes on my channel. But yes, they are here. They're beautiful. Now looking at these shoes in hand, I need them. I literally need them. They are so nice. I feel like the leather is different on this shoe for some reason. Like, I feel like it's just such high quality, but these are them. I did lace them in white, but they came factory laced in black. Of course, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the footage I have of me actually unboxing the shoe and close-ups and all of that. So I will insert that here. And as for the actual shoe, the bottom is black and the upper and midsole are this sail color. It is not white. Everything is matte on the shoe, minus the Air Jordan sign that is shiny, and the brown is a suede. I feel like it might get scratched up, but if you take care of your shoes, that shouldn't happen. The brown is a lot more cool tone in person than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be more of a warmer tone brown. It almost looks gray in some lighting, but it's definitely a muted shoe. The leather on this, I feel, is a little different. I feel like this is a lot better quality in ones compared to other ones that I've felt. Like, this is a really good quality shoe. I feel like I really need to grab a pair of these. I'm sure they still have my size on StockX, and as I've been seeing, the prices aren't that high on these. Obviously, they are more than box price, but any Jordan 1 nowadays is going to be higher in price after the drop. She did get these for box price though on Sneakers app, which I put her onto, so you're welcome, Fabi. But yes, I'm just gonna show you these on feet now. I'm going to do the least amount of moving in these when I try these on because they are not mine. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love these shoes. Oh my god, they're so cute. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down below which shoes you would want to see me try on. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up.